I did my undergrad in naval architecture and marine engineering. I did that at a very tiny school in the North Shore, Long Island. It's called Webb Institute. I did my senior thesis at Webb on converting the Staten Island ferry to run off of alternative fuels, and that got me interested in energy engineering. I was really interested coming in with hydrogen. I thought hydrogen would sort of be this silver bullet of energy that could maybe solve a lot of the problems with what we have, especially with ships. That's my background, is ships, so that's where I'm coming from it. But as I've been here, I think the biggest takeaway is that it's not going to be a specific type of energy. It's going to be a plethora of all sorts of different types of energy, and it will take all sorts of different people with different backgrounds to make those different solutions work for whatever niche that it's trying to accomplish. Right now I'm doing the techno-economic analysis of green hydrogen generation in India, and then I'm also doing a energy systems course where we're trying to model using some Stella software how we transition from running ships off of oil and gas to methanol, hydrogen, ammonia. So the transition from brown to green is what we're basically saying, from going from the brown team to the green team. The two professors I've gotten to take two courses from are Charlie Sullivan and Mark Laser. I learned so much about power electronics and energy utilization with Charlie. I think that his lecture style is really engaging. He obviously knows so much about what he's talking about, and his labs were really awesome. And then Mark Laser has a different style of teaching, but also very engaging and warm and welcoming, and makes everyone feel really a part of Dartmouth, and he wants to get to know you as a person, not just as a student, which I think is really nice. My MEng cohort is a lot like my class at Webb. We only had 25 at Webb, and I have probably around that for my MEng in energy here. And so it's been really great to get to know everybody on a personal level. You don't just know their name, you know where they're from, you know their parents, their background. And so you certainly get to know everybody a lot better than if you were at a big research institution, I think. My job will be ship design, but they are very focused on energy innovations and making ships more energy efficient. So coming to Dartmouth and having an energy engineering degree just gives you that level up of specialization and differentiation from other applicants. And so the year I've spent here thinking about energy, different ways to harness it, different ways we can improve ships specifically for me, has been really great. It has allowed me to think about things that I've never been able to think about before. Dartmouth in the fall had their career fair, and so that really exposed me to sort of the opportunities immediately around me and motivated me to start looking anywhere I could for opportunities. It led me back to an opportunity I had hoped I would perhaps get when I was 14 or 15. I had hoped to get this job. That degree combined with my Webb degree has allowed me to get my dream job.